this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, black appearance package, fifth-wheel hitch prep package, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing tow hitch, backup camera, side bed steps as well with mud flaps on the rear and front. You got a bed camera as well. You got that fifth wheel prep right there, as well as a tailgate step, bed liner, a nice platform gripped running board with the mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. It's perforated, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system, carpet interior. You got cup holders and storage, rear vents, outlets, and heated back seats. You do get more cup holders and arm space if you fold that down, and you get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system. You got your lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 400 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage, wireless charging pad outlets, got more cup holders if need be. With your storage below, you got lights, more outlets, drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake. We have heated and cooled front seats with dual climate. More outlets on the side here, upper and lower storage. Storage on the dash with your 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You have your engine brake, hill assist, traction, hazards, and a nice 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls just right here as well. Your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE02291, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.